Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today let us learn about computer security. The world of technology is growing rapidly from age to age. This development was created because of the technology of internet. It is the main medium for exchanging information. This information is in the form of text, image, sound, video and so on. Not all information on the internet is open, while the internet is a network of computers that can connect freely. In this computer era, it is very important to understand the threat behind the functionality of our computer system. Without the knowledge of user, an unknown person can access the computer from a remote area if the system details are available with them. To restrict this unwanted instruction into our system, most electronic devices such as computers, laptops, and cell phones come with built-in firewall security software. Firewall is a software program designed to protect the network system from unauthorized access into any of the systems. Despite having firewall, our computers are not fully secured. There are various ways of hacking into the computers, like through network systems, clicking into unknown links, getting access through unknown Wi-Fi, etc. However, computer can be protected through well-built software and sophisticated hardware. The computers are highly vulnerable to various threats like hacking, phishing, tampering, and clickjacking, etc. Hacking. It is a process of gaining unauthorized access to a computer or a network system. Hacking is the activity of identifying weakness in a computer system or a network to exploit the security to gain access to personal data or business data. An example of computer hacking can be using a password cracking algorithm to gain access to a computer system. Phishing. Phishing is a cybercrime in which a target or targets are connected by email, telephone, or text message by someone posing as a legitimate institution to lure individuals into providing sensitive data such as personally identifiable information, banking and credit card details, and passwords. The information is then used to access important accounts and can result in identity theft and financial loss. Common features of phishing emails: too good to be true. Lucrative offers and eye-catching statements are designed to attract people's attention immediately. For instance, many claim that you have won an iPhone, a lottery, or some other lavish prize. Sense of urgency. Cyber criminal is to ask you to act fast because the super deals are only for a limited time. Some of them will even tell you that you have only a few minutes to respond. Tampering. Not all crimes occur face to face. Certain crimes, such as computer tampering, can occur from anywhere over the internet. Computer tampering is unauthorized access to programs, data, or the computer, and it uses the access for fraudulent purposes or to damage another computer, data, or program. This covers a wide range of activities. Computer tampering could include illegal sharing of movies and music or changing the content of a website. Data tampering is the act of deliberately modifying data, that means destroying the data, manipulating or editing data through unauthorized channels. Clickjacking. It is a technique used to trick you into unknowingly clicking on something using multiple layers, usually a button or a link, when intend to click on the top layer. Clickjacking is an attack that tricks a user into clicking a web page elements which is invisible as another element. This can be cause users to unwittingly download malware, visit malicious web pages, provide credential or sensitive information, transfer money, or purchase products online. The websites in the net are designed in such a way as to grab the attention of the users to its commercial websites so as to promote their products. Just on clicking the specific spots, the new links will be opened where their product advertisements are posted.